Hi. My hair might be shorter than the last clips or last video. I'm not sure, I don't remember what I've recorded. It's been a couple days. But I am now currently packing for drills this weekend. I am in the Marine Reserves, so it's my first drills, so I'm kind of nervous. Don't really know where I'm going. Like, I know where I'm going, but like, I've never been there. My hair's driving me insane. But yeah, I'm currently packing. I'm not gonna pack too much because it's only like 2 days. But for me, I'm an overpacker. So yeah. Well, actually, I'm going tonight. So I need stuff for like tonight, tomorrow, and then Sunday. So 3 nights, 2 days? 2 nights, 2, I don't know. Math. I don't feel like thinking. But so far, here's what I got. Sorry if my gum's annoying. I didn't think of it. Back here is like my uniform stuff. Got my belt and stuff. That is like a little sewing kit. It has skivvy shirts, my sweat top and sweat bottom, just in case. I don't really know what I need, like I said. Some socks. I'll have to put my camis and boots in here. My camis are currently in the washer. I got me some pajama pants. Now, if I don't have a roommate, I'm not wearing pants. Just bring those just in case I have a roommate. Then this is a civvy set. Just got some jeans, shirt, bra. Then this is my gym set because I plan on going to the gym. Hopefully it has a gym. It's just a little tank with some shorts, and I'll need more socks. Got my Beats, they're all charged up. Got me some underwear. And these are to wear underneath my skivvy shorts because I borrowed them off someone and the inside is cut out and I don't want my coochie hanging out everywhere. So I got 2 pairs because I don't know which I like better. Then I'm gonna put everything in this bag, hopefully if it will fit. Obviously I need some of my shower stuff, which I can go ahead and actually pack because I thought I was gonna leave tomorrow morning, which thank God I'm not, because I have to wake up at like 3 o'clock in the morning. So I can actually go ahead and pack the shower stuff that I need, which is pretty great. I have to find my little travel sets. Where is it? I want travel sets in the garage somewhere. And I don't want to go look for it. Let's go stick this in the garage. I hope it's in there. I don't think I really need it, to be honest. But we are still gonna look. Not gonna lie about Phil. Boogie butt! Where'd you go? Oh, here in the living room? Wrong light. Welcome to the garage. It's nothing fancy. I think my travel set's in this bag. My travel set is in the suitcase that was all the way in the back. I don't think it's worth it. Okay, the travel suitcase is all the way in the back. And, oh, I zoomed in. I am not doing that. I refuse. We're just gonna make a new one. Just fine. No, you don't need your bike. So this whole little shoe bin right here is all like, you can see, like travel size stuff. So I'm gonna pull some stuff out of here. Definitely want this. Gonna pull this so I can see the back of my hair. It's really gross because I used to use it when I would do buns. This is so much super dirty. Toothpaste. We'll use this. Shampoo. So in this cute little bag, I have a little bit of makeup. I don't wear too much, but yeah. I have mini perfume, a little eyeliner, This is brow powder. Have Better Than Sex mascara. Then They're Real. My eyebrow brush. Some lip gloss. And then the brow, I think this is like a pomade or something. Yeah, some brow cream. And then another little mini perfume because I think both of these are like half empty. So that's what I'm keeping in that little bag. And then in this bigger bag, this is Victoria's Secret. I got it off eBay, so I don't know where else you can get it. It's a little dirty because I haven't washed it and it's really old, but whatever. Putting shampoo, conditioner, dry shampoo because I have my hair short so it gets greasy pretty easy. Greasy easy, huh? And then, yeah, that stuff. Some toothpaste. Again, a mirror. And this is more my skincare. This is not what's in this bottle, but it's like vitamin C. Then makeup remover. I might try to put this in something smaller, but I don't know what because I don't have anything. Then moisturizer. This is actually the moisturizer that's in here. Sunscreen. My retinol. This big bad bitch. I don't even know if I can put this in something smaller either. Deodorant. Facial cleanser, which I might empty this because this is watered down anyways and put either my facial cleanser in there or like this. I'm not sure. Then I'm bringing dude wipes because you just never know when you might need these. Then my toothbrush will be in here. Right now it's my husband's. I'm gonna rinse it out a little bit. Put my toothbrush in there. Gonna get my razor, which sucks is that extra bag has my razor in it. I kept like a spare razor, shave cream, like pretty much all this is in that bag that I just keep packed because I don't need it. But that's okay. We'll make do. So yeah. And yes, I do need my razor because every time I shower, I use my razor. So yeah. Yeah, let's pack this ish. My makeshift tripod is so freaking hilarious right now. Never mind, I'm keeping this in here because it's still actually a lot of soap in there. I thought it was more water, but yeah, soap. I think this is actually my coochie soap. One good thing about Harry's is they have covers for your razor so it doesn't get caught on everything. My toothbrush barely fits in here because this thing is ginormous. Like, it is huge compared to a normal toothbrush. Like, it's huge. So one thing I like about this bag as well is it like stretches so you can fit a shit ton in here, but that can also be a bad thing. In this case, it's a good thing. And then I guess these I'm just going to toss in my bag. Let's slow-mo that clip. I'm also bringing a hair tie. Yes, my hair is short, but I can still pin that shit up. And another thing I remembered is these little clips because it helps when I'm straightening my hair. Also taking my hair straightener with me because I obviously need to straighten my hair. It's crazy if I don't. I'm not gonna worry about a blow dryer because it's just too much. And if anything, they probably have one in the room. But I'm gonna try to, like, if I need to shower, which I'm gonna shower tonight, once I get there, just gonna shower at night, and then in the morning my hair will be dry, if not mostly dry. And if it's not, just use a straightener. Not the healthiest, but and obviously I'm gonna bring a brush, but there's one already in my vehicle because I keep it in there so I don't forget it, because that is the one thing I do end up forgetting is a brush. So there is more things I need to grab, like I need to lace up my boots, grab a few pairs of white socks because that's what we need for our PT. So I like to just bring white socks, so I don't have to bring double socks. Few pieces of mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff in the bag, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we got most everything in this besides my camis, but I'm just gonna leave those out, I guess. And my boots, which I didn't plan on putting in a bag anyways. The things I still have to grab are obviously my boots, 2 pieces of mail, some pump stuff, which that's gonna go in a different bag. Thinking about bringing the cooler just for my breast milk. Camis, obviously, a glow belt, which that will fit in my bag, and then some white socks will also fit in there because there's still some room like on the corners here. She's packed pretty full, but there's still room. That's what I love about this bag. And I could have packed it better because like there's still some empty space down the corners, but don't really care. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Guys, this hotel is amazing. Excuse my hair, it's super windy and it's greasy. I need a shower. But anyways, this hotel is bougie. You have to go through 2 elevators and you have to use your key card to get to the elevators. Crazy. Let me show you the room. So when you walk in, closet, I think. Yes, you got a closet. Someone's also dying. Not really, but here is the bathroom. Nuh-uh. That is so cool. Oh, you actually got like, oh my god. No way. This is so nice. Then you come in. Has the beds. I think I might be sharing this with someone. Not quite sure. Then you have a mini fridge, your coffee station, lights, a huge TV, drawers that I won't be using, little sitting area, another sitting area, cool ass light, and can't really see. But the view, oh my god. I'm on like the 12th floor. You can, that's creepy. Wait, that's so cool. Wow. This place is bougie. I hope no one else comes here so I have this whole entire room to myself. But, yeah, that's where I'm at. A bougie ass hotel. I'm gonna go pee and then bring the rest of my shit up so I can shower and go to sleep. Bye. What's up, guys? It is 5:28 and I just got off work. Sounds weird saying drills. I'm freaking hungry. I'm exhausted. Like all together I probably got like an hour or 2 hours of sleep maybe, so that sucks. And today was just terrible. I pretty much went in to do nothing, which that sounds, oh, whatever. But like, I'm a person that would rather be doing something because I'm just wasting my time sitting here. And tomorrow is another day of just sitting there doing absolutely nothing because I am checking out of this unit because drill's just ain't for me. It could be for you, but it's not for me. I just want to go home, see my babies, and sleep. But hopefully tonight I can go to bed early and get me some sleep because I got here really late and I didn't end up going to bed until like 1. And then I kept waking up almost every hour, if not more. So I'm exhausted. Even though I did nothing today, but that's more exhausting than actually doing stuff in my opinion. Went and picked me up some Taco Bell. I haven't filmed anything because one, I didn't know where I was going, so I didn't really want to be pulling the camera out when I had no clue where I was going and all that good stuff. I have YouTube up on this big ass TV, and I'm gonna eat me some Taco Bell, relax a little bit, pump, and relax some more because I don't have housework to do. You know what? I want to do this. Like if I ever get extra money, I just want to get a hotel room, make the hubby watch the kids, and me just relax. That's the part I like about this whole drills thing. I think this is the only thing I like about it, is I actually get time for myself to do whatever. And my roommate, she decided not to do drills or come to drills, so it's just me. This portion of the video is sponsored by, just kidding, no one's sponsoring me because you won't subscribe to my channel. Why don't you go down below or up here, wherever, if you're on mobile or desktop, and hit that big old red subscribe button and make it gray. While you're there, hit that bell so that way you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and comment what you'd like to see next, or how your day's going, how you're feeling, if your kids are getting on your nerves, or whatever it is that you want to comment. Even put a little heart, I don't care, comment something. And while you're doing all that, why don't you go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up so I know that you liked this video. To all you who haven't subscribed, I know there's a lot of you because, like, look at these numbers. Go ahead and subscribe because I want to get those numbers swapped around. I want to have more subscribers coming back to my channel and watching my videos. Thank you, love you. Mwah.